Having the right tool makes blending ingredients much faster and less messy in the kitchen. The best budget immersion blender offers good value by delivering reliable results at a reasonable cost. These handheld blenders handle smoothies, soups, and sauces efficiently with minimal effort. They come in various power ratings and include features that enhance control and ease of cleaning. And product link in description. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let's get started.
Number 5. Ovente Immersion Hand Blender.
The Ovente HS560R offers an easy entry into handheld blending for everyday kitchen tasks. Powered by a 300-watt motor, it quickly handles smoothies, protein shakes, pureed soups, and marinades with good results for most users. 2 adjustable speeds plus pulse control let you fine-tune the texture without much guesswork, making it suitable for soft ingredients or slightly firmer ones. The comfortable non-slip grip and slim stainless steel shaft provide steady control and fit well into standard pots and bowls during use. Detachable design means the shaft rinses or goes in the dishwasher easily, while the motor unit just needs a quick wipe. This setup shines for busy individuals preparing single or small portion meals fast. A minor limitation appears with tougher frozen items or bigger volumes, yet it still provides reliable performance and easy storage for the price.
Number 4. Turalar Immersion Blender.
The Turalar 1100 watt stands out with its robust full copper motor that delivers strong blending power for achieving velvety smooth results in seconds. This makes it particularly effective at breaking down ingredients thoroughly, whether for purees or chopping tasks, without leaving lumps behind. The variable speed trigger with pulse function gives intuitive control to ramp up or down as needed, helping prevent splatters while you work on emulsifying or whipping. A thoughtful nylon blade guard protects your cookware from scratches and reduces suction for cleaner operation overall. Its ergonomic grip ensures comfort during blending, and attachments swap with one click for easy changes or cleaning. Being UL approved adds peace of mind regarding safety and durability over time. While high power excels on tough recipes, beginners may need time to master the trigger.
Number 3. Geniza Immersion Blender.
The Geniza 1000 watt brings impressive versatility through its powerful pure copper motor paired with a 4-blade stainless steel assembly that produces smooth blends consistently. 16 different speed options plus a turbo boost give precise control over textures, from delicate purees to thicker mixtures or frothy beverages when needed. The included accessories expand its usefulness considerably, with a beaker, whisk, frother, and chopper for blending, mixing, frothing, and dicing tasks, such as onions without tears. Detachable parts make switching between functions simple and cleaning straightforward for the shaft, whisk, and frother, since they handle the dishwasher well. However, the electronic parts and chopper lid require hand washing only, which adds a small step compared to fully dishwasher-safe models. Number 2. Vitamix 5-Speed Immersion Blender. The Vitamix 625 watt delivers dependable performance with its 625 watt motor and 5 speed settings that allow fine adjustments for different consistencies. The 4-pronged stainless steel blade handles whole food ingredients effectively, making it capable of blending tough items into smooth results, whether for smoothies or thicker sauces. One-handed operation works comfortably for both right and left-handed users, freeing the other hand to add ingredients as you blend. Its 5-foot cord provides flexibility to move around the kitchen easily during use. You can blend hot soups right in the cooking pot or create baby purees and salad dressings without extra tools or a mess. The design assembles simply with intuitive controls that feel natural. It works best in containers with 3-inch wide openings or larger, covering most standard pots and bowls.
Number 1. KitchenAid Variable Speed Corded Hand Blender.
The KitchenAid KHBB53 features a removable 8-inch blending arm equipped with a 4-point stainless steel blade designed to quickly process ingredients into smooth smoothies, milkshakes, soups, hummus, and similar items. Variable speed control through the trigger switch lets you manage the blending intensity precisely for the desired outcome. A patented removable pan guard helps shield your cookware from potential damage during use, which proves especially useful when working directly in pots. The included 3-cup BPA-free jar with lid offers a convenient option for blending smaller portions and then serving or storing leftovers right away. This setup supports easy one-handed use while providing protection and versatility for common kitchen tasks. The arm detaches for straightforward cleaning after blending sessions. Final verdict. Choosing the right immersion blender comes down to how often you blend, the types of recipes you prepare, and the features that matter most in your kitchen. Each model on this list offers solid value, but 2 stand out for shoppers seeking the best balance of performance and affordability. If you're shopping on a tighter budget, the KitchenAid Variable Speed Corded Hand Blender is an excellent choice. It delivers dependable everyday blending performance, simple controls, and easy maintenance at an affordable price. If you can spend a little more, the Vitamix 5-speed immersion blender is the stronger overall pick. Its powerful motor, variable speed trigger, and versatile design makes it better suited for tougher ingredients and more frequent use, offering outstanding value for the money. Check the link in the description for current details and other options.